I'm going to try to replace this smoke detector with a Nest Protect. So I'm going to figure out where the power is to this room, because I need to turn the power off, and I'm going to get a screwdriver because I think I'm going to need a screwdriver as well. Get this twist off, and see if we can disconnect it. Oh, let me see. Unscrew the things. Let's see what's up here. Okay, take it off. Okay. Yeah, I'm gonna go find the power so we can turn the power off so I don't get electrocuted. No. Yeah, the power is out, so that should keep me from being electrocuted. Done. So that's being put out here. So now I'm gonna connect the new connectors, and I have this yellow, so I'm attaching black to black, putting them next to each other over here, and then we can't put the light on because the power is out. So just trust me that this is what I'm doing. Black next to black. Just kind of twist it until it feels like it's taken. I think that feels like it's there. And white to white. Let me take one of those yellow connecting thingies. White to white. And it goes into this hole here. Twist it until you feel like it's taking. And yeah, you can pull it, tug on the wires to feel that they're secure in there. And that leaves us the red left over, and we'll get the red one, a yellow thing, just so it gets taken off. And then we're gonna screw up the mount, and it says screw this way. So we will see if we can use the screws that were already here. Just shoving these connectors up in the hole here. And let's see. I feel like this could work. Ah! I don't even. Yeah, just screw it in here. Okay. It's real secure. I'm good. That's the last screw. Like that. And then see if I can get it to attach. Just like that.
Ready in the bedroom. Press to test.
I'm gonna now go turn on the power. And the power's back on, and now I'm just gonna press the button to make sure it's all good to go.
Ready in the bedroom. Press to test.
I am awesome.
Ready in the bedroom. Press to test.
I am pressing.